Hey gang, we're back here again today. Going to be working on a rzr800. Going to change the front and rear diff fluid. We got big things going on here. We have got deer heads going up on the post. We've got the razor up in the air, getting ready to get started on it. I bought this last year real cheap. I've not changed the fluids yet, so I figured it might be about time before we go ride again. See if we can crawl under here and see what we got going on. Let's see. That's 8 Torx head. Man, that sucker is loose. All right.
That is nice.
That's the good stuff right there. Oh yeah. Set this. Oh. We got slick up on the table. Gotta find something to wipe my hands off on. See if I can set you all up here. This kind of deer we raise here in Kentucky, giants. Nowhere else in the world can you find deer this size. We'll just go out here and take a look around. All right, guys, we'll let this drain a little bit and I'll be right back. See what else we can get into. All right, guys, we're back. We got the certified Polaris mechanic underneath, putting it all back together. What was that, about 100 foot-pounds?
Maybe 150. Pour off. Make sure the hole stays in the dip.
The mechanic said this is the first side by side that they actually use the same size plugs. Don't have to have 15 different wrenches. Front is done. Now let's make our way to the back. Been looking at buying a high clearance A-arms and all that for the razor and upgrading it, but this is the budget razor and we don't want to spend that kind of money on it. So we are trying our best to do what we can on the cheapest budget we can.
The Dollar General.
The Dollar General. We're also changing transmission fluid. Is that correct? I don't know a lot about this guy does.
I know a little bit. I know enough to be dangerous.
We also need some suggestions for a name for this channel, if anybody has any. And yes, I got a truck bed liner as a skid plate.
I'll get off there, you stupid ratchet. That is nice.
Oh yeah. We might have messed up. I gotta get close to the angle of this.
We're golden. Oh, there it goes.
Let's go.
There's a little bit of black oil in that.
Do you all see that?
And that's about tight now. That's about a half of it, Doug. As long as it don't leak, we'll be good.
Need the funnel? This is for me. This is for my razor. That looks different what come out of it. If anybody feels like sponsoring us, just yeah, we're cheap. Just comment down below and we we're gonna try to go riding this weekend if everybody can get off work. And Labor Day is coming up on Monday, and today is Monday, so we got 7 days. Well, no, we're going riding on Saturday. We have got 4 days to get all this ready, and I'm waiting on parts to come in. Front rack and pinion on this thing. Oil change, waiting on the oil to come in to change. Filter. Was going to order a lift kit for it, but I'm not sure on that. Yep. But that's all to the front and rear diff, guys. I'm gonna jump off of here and get set up to do the transmission. All right, guys, we're back. The way it looks, that way back in there is what we gotta get to. It'll be easier with the tire off. We're using our big DeWalt impact. If you all don't have one, I suggest you get one. They help. Let me get this big 38-inch tar out of the way. That almost looks like a wheel spacer.
No, we're not gonna.
Oh, we can't show the names. Never mind, guys.
Oh, that wasn't that. Watch this sucker have a spring behind it, fly off and smack me in the eyeball. Has happened before.
I like that rear spin. Putting that piston back in that 660. Got our homemade bunk seat in the back. We rode a couple of times with it in there. I took it out that way I could change the oil later on this week. Engine oil and filter and spark plugs. I figured it might be time for some of them because the backfiring in the last video, which you all can watch, sounded like a shotgun going off. Oh, did I say gun? I didn't mean to say gun. Airsoft gun is what it sounds like for all you politically correct. No. I'll put these 42-inch tires back on.
You got the load nuts?
Yep. Look at that. All the way around.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna strike you silly. Hi.
Alright guys, we're back. Just got all the transmission, front rear disc, fluid change. We'll let y'all hear it.
Where's the buckle?
Hey.
Probably isn't the correct way. Yeah, that don't work.
Guys, I guess that'll end our video for today. Till next time, when we do something interesting and fun and educational for everybody.
Might be a long time.
Might be a long time, but we'll catch y'all next time.